Hi there, Tyler here with Quality Water Treatment, and today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the SoftPro Elite Water Softener System to see if it's the right solution for your needs. We'll be covering the SoftPro Elite that is specifically designed for homes that use well water. When it comes to value, the SoftPro Elite truly has a lot to offer.
85% of all water in the US is considered hard water. Hard water increases your household expenses, including increased energy costs to heat your water and more consumption of laundry detergent and cleaning supplies throughout the year. Unfortunately, it also shortens the lifespan of your clothing, linens, appliances, and plumbing fixtures. One of the biggest benefits of this system is that it eliminates the household expenses caused by hard water in your home. What's great is that this system pays for itself within 2.5 to 3 years. On top of that, a study from Ohio State University shows that soft water will save you almost 2 hours a week in cleaning your home.
A quality water softener removes the excessive calcium and other hard minerals to create spa-like soft water throughout your home. What we like about the SoftPro Elite is that it is a true high-efficiency rated system. For well water sources, downflow technology is recommended, and this system still performs at a high efficiency rating. This is one of the few systems that is certified as a complete system by the IAPMO group. High efficiency performance is really important to us since it will drastically reduce salt usage and lower your operational costs. SoftPro comes with all of the advanced features that homeowners love, including a large, easy-to-read LCD screen, vacation mode, and an antibacterial growth technology so you never have to worry about stagnant water issues. SoftPro Elite for well water is designed with large 1-inch plumbing ports to handle higher flow rates, so everyone in your home can take a shower at the same time. The system comes with standard as an upgraded fine mesh resin. This fine mesh resin improves the iron removal capability of the system and performs better than the basic 8% resin in other systems. The SoftPro Elite system has received tons of great reviews and is currently a bestseller and by far a customer favorite. With their industry best lifetime warranty on the tank and the control valve, it's just another reason why customers love it. Now, if you're still unsure if it's the right fit for you, check out our new Water Intelligence Engine. This is the industry's only advanced artificial intelligence technology that will correctly size your softener and recommend additional water treatment filters as needed. Filters such as an iron filter or pH neutralizer may be required depending on your unique well water composition. Once you've gotten the correct size for your home's requirement, be sure to review the add-on water filter options designed for this system. If you live near farms or ranches, the water table where your well draws from may contain pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizer contaminants. So we highly recommend that you consider using one or more water filter options to remove harmful contaminants so you and your family can enjoy both soft and clean quality water. We hope this review has helped you narrow down which water softener is the best fit for your needs. If you need even more details, just be sure to check out our full in-depth review in the description below. If you have any questions, our team of water treatment consultants are here to help you. Feel free to connect with us by chat, email, or just give us a call. Our goal is to help you and your family live healthier and happier lives by providing accurate information on quality water treatment solutions. Wishing you and everyone an amazing day.